Welcome to the June 2024 release from Hero Arts. Hi, I'm Shannon and I'll be walking you through all the extraordinary extras released this month, as well as share a ton of inspiration. First up is the Decorative Tile Stamp Set. This 4x6 clear stamp set features a patterned tile theme inspired by classic ceramic tiles. The set includes various tile motifs, allowing for endless creativity and customization. Perfect for adding a touch of vintage charm and artistic flair to any card project. Use the stamps individually to create a stunning tiled panel background, or layer the stamps to build rich dimensional pattern. Also pair the stamp set with multi-inking to create beautiful gradations over the stamp surface. Next up is the Decorative Tile Pattern Stencil. This 6x6 stencil allows you to easily add texture and depth to your background through ink blending or with a variety of other mediums. Use the stencil to add details and vibrant patterns to your card designs or die cuts. The stencil can also be paired with the Decorative Tile Stamp Set for even more detailed patterns. Our next stencil is the Color Layering Tile Stencil Set. This 4-piece layering stencil set is designed to create a striking 6x6 tile design, ideal for crafting a bold focal point or background for your A2 card projects. Each stencil layer builds upon the previous one, adding depth and interest to the design, allowing you to create a vibrant and dimensional pattern with inks or textured mediums like Hero Paste or Hero Wax. Next up is the Garden Gate Cover Plate Die. This standalone die features intricate stylized iron patterns that evoke a rustic yet modern feel. The arched opening is ideal for framing and drawing attention to the focal point of your card. And our last extraordinary extra is the Power Lines Bold Print Stamp. This 6x6 red rubber cling stamp features a striking web of power lines, perfect for adding an industrial or urban flair to your card making or mixed media projects. And that's your closer look at the June 2024 Extraordinary Extras.